Good morning, Lorraine. Today I thought I'd share a story with you about why it's important to wear seatbelts and helmets. Yeah, that's a good idea, Mr. Ricketts. Oh, thanks, Slurpie. Couldn't you remember my name? No, sometimes I forget. Hello, everyone. Hey, where were you, Socco? Oh, I was sleeping in this morning. Oh. Well, I can't wait to hear that story about when you taught me about seatbelts and helmets. Yes, seatbelts and helmets are so important to stay safe. I hope you kids always wear them, and tell your parents to also. Yeah, and if you're not tall enough or old enough, sit in a booster seat in the back seat. I love my booster seat. Yes, it looks very cool. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy this one, and we'll talk to you a bit afterwards.
Helmets, Seatbelts, and Socks. Written by me, Mark Ricketts. Illustrated by David McBride.
Put a bike helmet on, Slurpee,
Scolded Socko. Why do we have to wear one? Whined Slurpee.
Slurpee, think about what could happen,
Said Socko.
You could hit your head and hurt your brain without a helmet,
He warned.
Slurpee, pick out a helmet so that it protects your head if you fall off your bike,
Commented Socko. Put helmet on, look up. You should see the bottom of the rim. Straps make a Y under each ear. Buckle helmet and open mouth wide. That one fits right, said Socko. Let's get riding. Hey, Socko, all that bike riding made me hungry for a treat. Let's ride in the car to get an ice cream cone, said Slurpee. At least I don't need to wear a helmet in the car, noted Slurpee.
True, but you do always wear something else to stay safe in the car, instructed Socko. Always wear a seatbelt.
I heard you don't have to wear your seatbelt. In the back seat. When you want to look cool. If you have a safe driver. Over your shoulder when you're sleeping. Because it can wrinkle your clothes. Or when you're close to home, finished Slurpee.
Slurpee, watching you learn that you always need to wear your full seatbelt has been a little funny, but for kids and adults, it wouldn't be funny at all, said Socko.
It wasn't fun for me, said Slurpee. Why are people different than socks when it comes to seatbelts? He asked.
Kids and adults' bodies aren't soft and can't bend like socks. If they don't wear the seatbelts, they could be hurt, break bones, sent to the hospital, or worse, cautioned Socko.
You were right about wearing a seatbelt, Socko. I'm always wearing my seatbelt from now on, said Slurpee, and using a booster seat too. Click it, adjust it, wear it. I just wish there was a way we could tell everyone to always wear their helmets and seatbelts, added Slurpee.
I think we just did,
replied Socko. The end.
Oh man, just watching that made me hurt. Yeah, me too, Slurpee. Well, at least now you know.
Yeah. Hey, Socko,
Yes?
you know what I'm hungry for?
Ice cream. Take care.